How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today I want to show you guys this really tiny Airbnb. I measured something like about 100 square foot or roughly 10 square meters only. This video is brought to you by the Moo trading app. You can get up to 20 free shares of stock just for signing up and depositing various amounts of money. Just for opening up an account, you get 1 free share of stock. If you deposit more than $100, you get 9 free additional shares of stock. And if you deposit more than $1,000, now the threshold is a little lower than before, you can get 10 additional shares of stock for a total of 20 free shares and an additional entry into a sweepstakes. It would greatly help me out if you guys don't already have this app. Sign up down in the video description below. As you guys know, I am in Taipei right now, and this place is in the center of Taipei near the Tai Power building MRT exit. This bedroom is all there is. So let me show you guys. Over there, that's the entrance, and then if I turn around this way, look, that's the bed. And I'm sharing this with my girlfriend. So we have like a luggage, that's my luggage. That's her luggage. I barely have any clothes. I just got one t-shirt and another Uniqlo shirt. And then we also got 2 workstations here. One that is reasonably okay. You can actually sit at that desk, but because we needed another one, I fashioned this thing out of like a storage rack, and you can put a laptop on here, but the mouse doesn't work too well. So you gotta control the mouse from like some flat surface over here. So it's not very ergonomically correct. We hardly ever use a TV. We bought a air dryer over there because all the air dryers usually is terrible or too slow. I got my charger stuff in the corner on the left over there. And if you look over here, there's something interesting. I have my milk tea set over here. My tea is inside this bag. I can heat up some water on this stove. This stove came with the Airbnb, and then I make it inside my Yeti cup. I brought my own sugar. I actually had to refill it at the supermarket, and it came with the fridge, and we actually bought like extra milk just to make our milk tea every morning. It's just that I really hate feeling all groggy and having to walk outside trying to buy a milk tea, plus it gets expensive. And this is the entrance of the door with these hooks I got from Muji, and they're really powerful. They have about half a pound of holding force for the little ones, 1 pound of holding force for these ones. So it's like, see, look, it's really strong. And then I got my wallet and stuff I put right here, an umbrella because it rains about half the time, my no-touch tool and my earplugs, the mask. And then over here I got a really slick setup for toiletries. This toiletry bag is also from Muji. I'm like going Muji crazy these days because it's very minimalistic design and it works very well. You got these hooks that hangs my face towel, and also I kind of like dry my hands on the bottom, dry my face up here. So I use the same towel for both. And then you got this really cool hook and clipper thing. I bought some ramen noodles. I stored up there. Basically very little cooking here. I ate some ramen noodles this morning, but usually I would go outside and eat lunch or dinner. I actually have not even used this microwave even once while I was here. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the bathroom over here. It's pretty basic. You got the toilet and the shower. The shower just goes straight over here. It sprays down and you're just standing next to the toilet. And this is pretty common for Asian toilets. The vent is up there. It sucks away all the moisture. Let's close that. And I want to show you guys some more of the Muji stuff I got. This is really great. Like this little broom thing, the design is awesome. And it has this interchangeable system where the little stick can plug into like the broom thing, and then it has like a squeegee thing that you can like replace the top of it, so you only have to have one stick and different kind of heads that attaches to the same stick. A little hair clip thing, it's kind of weird, like why would a guy need it? I usually need this to cut my own hair, and I somehow lost all of mine. A really minimal type of tape dispenser here and a tiny little spatula. Why do you need this? You can dig up the rest of the peanut butter or jam with this little spoon, because a bigger spatula just doesn't work. You need a little one like this one. I'm sure they sell these in the States as well. Sometimes I work on this little setup over here, not to do any video editing because it's a little bit too hard to move my mouse down here. But I do have this little gadget bag. This is also from Muji. It holds a lot of the gear that I would use with my computer, like cables and stuff like that. And then there's a receipt bag. Awesome, right? All the receipts I generate, put in here, nice and tidy. It doesn't get mixed up or anything. And then I got my laptop stand. This is something I bought on Amazon. More of these clips. This one actually holds the cable to my laptop charger. You need one pen, and I also bought this one here, an ear picker with like a little cap to kind of keep the top clean. Let me go back up here, and look, that's my towel. This is a Muji towel. This is also a Muji hand towel. I bought all this here. And then there's also 3 very, very slick hangers. Let me take one down and show you guys how slick this is. This is so cool. It's a portable one, so you can actually fold it, and then it turns really small and you can put it inside your luggage. How awesome is that, right? They did provide some hangers. Usually Airbnb gives you some, and those black ones and red ones are actually not mine. Those blue ones are not mine. It's just in case that you don't have hangers, you at least have a couple of them. You can hang your underwear dry. In here, it's just a bunch of storage for, you know, these are my clothes, my girlfriend's clothes, just a whole bunch of stuff. This is all her stuff. I don't bring that much stuff. I just have like one medium-sized luggage, that's that one, and a backpack, and that's all I have. Up here is just all the stuff that I don't use from the Airbnb. I just kind of chuck it all up there. I don't like to use their towel. I don't like to use their water boiler or their hair dryer. Water boiler, I'm just gonna use this cup to boil water on top. So after you take a shower, it gets a little bit humid. There is this dehumidifier that doesn't work too well. It came with the place, and you see 52% humidity, 25 degrees C temperature right now. And in order to get it to reduce in humidity, I use the built-in AC over there, and you can see this is on dehumidifying mode right here. It makes it from 60% to 50% in about an hour or so. Now let's talk about cost. This place is about $40 USD per night. You can probably get a little cheaper if you share a bathroom. To me, staying at a very small place and trying to still be comfortable is the most ideal, because you can pay less, you can travel for less, and you can just do it much longer. It's not like, you know, immaculately white and clean everywhere. So then you start to bring stuff that helps you stay clean. For example, when I go in the bathroom, I don't actually step in there barefooted. I use some slippers. I bring those slippers with me. And when I walk around, I use these slippers and not walk around barefooted either. Bringing your own hair dryer, using a cup to boil water instead of using their kettle. You also need to take care to bring some alcohol spray so you can sanitize all the high touch areas, just in case there's like some lingering bacteria or something, just so that you can sanitize it and make sure that you don't catch anything from these Airbnbs. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour and also some of the stuff that I brought to make this light traveling and cheap traveling a lot more convenient. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more.